Embaixador foun Japaun ba Timor-Leste reafirma kompromisu koperasaun bilateral e a área oi-oin entre pais rua.
Embaixador foun Japaun ba Timor-Leste sexta-ne apresenta onde realiza encontro dahulu com o primeiro-ministro que relacionana Gusmão, onde discute no reforça a cooperação bilateral entre Japão no Timor-Leste e a área síria nesse desenvolvimento econômico, infraestrutura, educação, saúde, agricultura no assistência técnica.
Yes, I just met Prime Minister Shanana Guzman, His Excellency. That was a very nice talk with him. He introduced his very good relations with some of the Japanese politicians and his friends in Japan, and very good relation between Japan and Timor-Leste. And he hoped me to work harder to develop the further bilateral relation between Timor-Leste and Japan. So, and I promised to do my best in the future, the coming years to come. That was his great the experience with Japan. He introduced me, and it was very impressive to me. So it was many areas, including the medical areas, infrastructures, and the agricultures, educations. It's a huge range of the cooperation here, and also not only the ODA, official development assistance, but also the private investment, including such as shipbuilding company. Now is the project under the way. So that is also Prime Minister mentioned during our talk.
Diplomata expressa, Japão se continua apoio Timor-Leste no desenvolvimento, não discute com o projeto Sira nebela audadão ou parceria Sira e a futuro. Simão Ximenes, bem-vinda Ximenes, GMN.